So Apple updated the AirPods in September of this year with the AirPods Pro 3. This replaces the second gen. So let's go ahead and unbox these and take a look at them. And we'll compare them to the second gen, at least for the design aspect of it. Later on, I'll do a review of these when I use them for an extended period of time, just to see how they compare to the second gen. So for now, let's just do the unboxing. So as usual, you take off the tabs on the bottom, lift the lid, and you're greeted with a Apple pouch with all the how-to and warranty information. So this is nothing new. It just tells you how to connect to the iPhone if you're new to the AirPods. And then you got warranty information and compliance information for the wireless part. So once you get that out of the way, you're greeted with the AirPods themselves, and we'll take a closer look at these. But for now, we're just going to get them out of the box. And then underneath that is the ear tips. You get a few extra ear tips for a better fit. And one thing you'll notice right away is there is no cable anymore. So they got rid of the charging cable. But there's a good chance you have one, since you are going to need, preferably want an iPhone when you use these. So you probably already have a USB-C cable. So that's the reasoning behind it. So no cable anymore for that. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way, and we'll showcase the AirPods Pro 3. So get that out of the way, and we'll take it out of the plastic protective piece here. And one thing I will notice is it does feel a little shorter. So of course these AirPods are a little stubbier than the second gen. So I do notice the case is a little bit shorter. But all in all, it's basically the same design as the second gen. So now we're going to take the earbuds out. And yeah, definitely shorter. It's a little narrow on the front, more than likely to help contour to more ears. And then you got the sensor on the bottom there for the new heart rate tracking. And then one thing I noticed also is the ear tips, that foam integration. So it's a rubber and a foam ear tip, and I'm curious to see how that fits in the ear and how long they will last, because I know foam is a little finicky sometimes, especially when you use them for an extended period of time. So there's a comparison between the last and the current. You can kind of see the difference already. One's just a little bit taller, same thickness. So the case hasn't changed much from the second gen. So that's kind of the cases there. Nothing new here. And then we'll take them out of the case and show you the buds. But first, I just wanted to show you the box, because I was kind of like shocked that the box was this small, but now it makes sense because the cable's no longer in there. So just kind of going to show you the difference in size. The box is quite a bit smaller. So there's the original AirPods Pro 2, and then you got this one, the 3s. So big difference because of the lack of the cable. And now we're going to go ahead and take out the earbuds. Old is on the left, new is on the right. And you'll kind of see the difference there. Sensors are kind of in the same spot. You have, of course, the new heart rate sensor on the bottom. The earbuds are a little more narrow on the right, and the left is taller. So as you see there, not by much, but it is noticeable. And then, of course, the ear tips are the big thing I noticed. So that's a quick comparison of the AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods Pro 3. And, of course, I'll do a review on the 3s to let you know if they're worth it or not. I hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and all that. And then stay tuned for that whenever I post that video, because I'm still testing these to make sure my information is accurate. So stay tuned for that, and I'll do my best to let you know if they're worth getting or not, or should you just save money on these second gen. So I'll catch you in that video. Until then, peace.